Has, I'm wondering if you have seen the musical Wicked, or maybe even heard the soundtrack of Wicked. There's some really great songs on that soundtrack and some fun songs too. And there's one really fun song called Dancing Through Life. And in it, the character is singing about the virtues, the benefits of living an unexamined life. And he says, dancing through life, skimming the surface, gliding where turf is smooth, life's more painless for the brainless. Why think so hard? Learn to live the unexamined life. That's a choice, right? That's a choice, I guess. I don't think it would be any less painful, though. In fact, I think it'd be more painful. You know, living life unconsciously does not promote happiness. It promotes numbness. It's really not living at all. It's just kind of going through the motions. So, you know, I quote a lot here Howard Thurman, the wonderful theologian, teacher, mentor to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Howard Thurman, because he has a lot of wonderful things to say. And one of the wonderful things he has to say is, and I think he was probably talking to a graduate class. He was the dean of Marsh Chapel at Boston University. One of the wonderful things he said was, don't ask what the world needs. Ask what makes you come alive, and go do that. What the world needs is more people who have come alive. What the world needs is more people who have come alive. We experience happiness when we're living in a way that makes us come alive. So reconnecting with our true purpose for our lives is, you know, not only gives us a sense of excitement about living, but it also leads us in a way where we are contributing to the whole. And that gives us fulfillment, right? Because we are all connected in this beautiful web of life. Living our true purpose by its very nature has a positive impact on others, on the world. And finding our true purpose is all about the why, all about connecting with our why. And I'm talking WHY here. What, not the Y's in YMCA, although that's good too, sure, you know. But today we're talking about WHYY. Why are you here in this particular incarnation, in this your unique configuration of history and experiences and background at this particular time on this planet? Everyone has a unique why. Everyone has a unique why, and finding it is more a process of self-discovery, you know, self-reflection, inner revelation, than it is kind of trying to figure it out or making it up or copying what someone else is doing because, hey, that looks good over there. No, it comes from our soul. It's our own soul's code. It's what calls us. It's what makes us come alive. And some of you may already have that. You already know that. Maybe it's become part of your, you know, you've made it into your personal, you know, mission statement. If so, great, you're way ahead. And, you know, it might be time to check in with it again and make sure that it's still reflecting, you know, your truth now, because that does evolve over time. It might need a little tweaking, right? So just check in with it. For many of us, though, it's a little more vague, right? It's, we we just kind of have a sense of it. Might be something like, I'm being a light in the world, something about being a light in the world. So that's a good start. It's a good start. But in order for it to really come alive, to move you, you really want to define it clearly. How are you a light in the world? In what particular way are you a light in the world? And why is that important? And it's that last question that makes all the difference. It makes the difference between dancing through life, skimming the surface, and actually living this, on purpose, a purposeful, passionate life. That's the thing that makes the difference. And when you understand it, when you connect with the why of why it's truly important, it is the thing that juice, it's the juice of our lives that empowers everything that you do. And it radiates out from you. It resonates with others. Not everybody, but you don't want everybody, right? It just resonates with your tribe, with your peeps. You'll also find that when you connect with that why, things come together. Things begin to fall into place, and you find the discipline, the stamina, the skills that you need to live it. You'll also discover that people, resources, opportunities come to you, are attracted to you. The things that help you bring it to life, to realize it.